Water heater that busted after it froze. I've done this a few times living out in the woods, and there's the bust right there, as you can see. I'm going to fix this thing with Superglue and baking soda. An amazing patch for busted pipe, even this metal. But just found out about it and tried it on another heater. It works perfectly. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. First, I'm going to clean this up with a brush. Make sure that's clean. Squeeze it back together with a wrench. All right, I just buffed this off with this wire wheel and drill. Just clean it up so that you get a little better adhesion. Now I'm going to squeeze that hole together with a pair of pliers. All right, just got some needle nose in there and press those together to where that seam is much closer together, as you can see. And then all I'm going to do is sprinkle some baking soda on top of that, a little bit of super glue, and we'll see how it looks afterwards, and we'll test how it holds. Okay, I have some baking soda on top of that crack. I'll take a little single use, probably all I'll need, and I'm going to start dribbling it on there. We're just going to watch that thing harden up and keep throwing baking soda on top of that, layer after layer, till that's just nice and plugged up. I'll be back in a second. So there it is with the baking soda still all around it. I'll brush it out and we'll see what we have left. There we go. That is like rock around that thing. Just as hard as it can be. So now we're going to go over and we're going to test it out. See how it does. Alright, I have the water line hooked up. I'm going to plug that. I have about 39 psi coming through there, and I'll try my best to plug it up. But as you can tell, a little water leakage down in there. Apparently this little trick's been around for many years, but I'm telling you, I've never seen it, and it is just amazing. So I'm going to plug this up with my finger. Got to build up some more pressure up top here. Holding like a champ. Baking soda, super glue, not the gel kind. Amazing.